Low thyroid, or hypothyroidism, is a critical condition that silently affects millions of people. Most individuals go undiagnosed because they miss the clues. When your thyroid slows down, your health can take a hit in ways you wouldn't expect. Today, we'll talk about the 6 critical warning signs of low thyroid function that you should never ignore. And how can you naturally repair your gland? Welcome to Levitas. The thyroid is a small gland located at the base of your neck, and it plays a big role in regulating your metabolism, energy levels, and several body function. The hormones produced by the thyroid, thyroxine or T4, and triiodothyronine or T3, control how efficiently your cells convert food into energy. They also influence heart rate, body temperature, and digestive function. Essentially, your thyroid acts as your body's energy regulator, ensuring every system functions at the right speed. When the thyroid is underactive, or hypothyroidism, everything in your body slows down, leading to various health problems. Several factors can increase your risk of developing a low thyroid or hypothyroidism. One of the most common causes is autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, where the immune system attacks the thyroid gland. Other risk factors include a family history of thyroid disease, being over the age of 60, poor gut health, and certain nutritional deficiencies such as iodine or selenium. Women are at a much higher risk than men, particularly during pregnancy or after menopause. Exposure to radiation, chronic stress, and some medications can also interfere with thyroid function, making it important to be aware of your risk factors and monitor your thyroid health regularly. So, what are the 6 early warning signs of a low thyroid that you need to watch for? 1. Do you feel cold all the time, even when everyone else seems comfortable? This could be an early warning sign of an underactive thyroid. The thyroid regulates your body's metabolism, including how much heat your body produces. When thyroid hormone levels drop, your metabolic rate slows, and your body becomes less efficient at generating heat. As a result, you might feel chilled even in warm environments. This can be more than just an uncomfortable feeling. Your extremities, like your hands and feet, might feel noticeably cold to the touch, and it can even affect your overall circulation. If this is coupled with fatigue, it's worth paying attention to. 2. Have you noticed unexplained weight gain despite no significant changes to your diet or exercise routine? A sluggish thyroid can lead to a slower metabolism, meaning your body burns fewer calories at rest. As your metabolism drops, your body stores more fat, leading to weight gain, especially around the belly. This type of weight gain can be frustrating because it's often resistant to typical weight loss efforts like diet and exercise. If you're putting on weight and can't explain why, your thyroid might be at fault. 3. Is your hair thinning or falling out in clumps? One of the early symptoms of low thyroid function is hair loss. Thyroid hormones are essential for the growth cycle of hair follicles. When levels of these hormones are too low, hair enters the resting phase of the growth cycle prematurely, leading to excessive shedding and thinning. People with hypothyroidism may also notice that their hair becomes dry, brittle, and breaks easily. This hair loss isn't limited to the scalp. You might also notice thinning eyebrows or eyelashes. If you're experiencing sudden or dramatic hair loss, especially along with other symptoms, it could be a signal of low thyroid function. 4. Do you feel bloated or struggle with constipation regularly? Hypothyroidism can slow down your digestive system, making it harder for your intestines to move waste through your body efficiently. This can lead to chronic constipation, bloating, and even feelings of fullness. Thyroid hormones help regulate the muscles of your digestive tract, and without enough hormone, digestion slows to a crawl. As a result, people with low thyroid function may experience difficulty passing stools, reduced bowel movement frequency, and increased discomfort. Chronic constipation can be a frustrating and painful symptom, but it's often overlooked as a sign of thyroid dysfunction. 5. A noticeable drop in your sex drive, or low libido, might be an unexpected early sign of a low thyroid. Hypothyroidism can throw off your body's hormone balance, leading to a reduction in sexual desire and a decrease in overall energy. When your thyroid isn't functioning properly, it impacts the production of sex hormones, such as estrogen and testosterone, which play a crucial role in libido. Additionally, the fatigue and low mood associated with hypothyroidism can make you feel less interested in intimacy. If you're noticing a sudden or significant dip in your libido, it may be worth considering your thyroid as a possible cause. 6. One of the more troubling symptoms of low thyroid function is its impact on mental health, particularly depression. Thyroid hormones have a direct effect on brain chemistry, influencing neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulate mood. Low thyroid levels can cause brain function to slow down, leading to feelings of sadness, lethargy, and hopelessness. People with hypothyroidism often report feeling mentally foggy, experiencing memory problems, and struggling with concentration. The link between thyroid function and mental health is so strong that doctors often screen for thyroid issues when diagnosing depression. If you've been feeling persistently down without a clear reason, it's important to check whether your thyroid is contributing to the problem. So, now that we know the 6 early warning signs, how do you naturally repair your thyroid? Supporting your thyroid naturally can often improve its function and alleviate symptoms of hypothyroidism. One of the most important steps is to focus on nutrition. Iodine and selenium are key minerals that your thyroid needs to produce hormones. Foods like seaweed, fish, Brazil nuts, and eggs are rich in these nutrients and can help maintain thyroid health. Additionally, supporting gut health is crucial since the gut and thyroid are closely connected. Eating probiotic-rich foods like kefir, yogurt, or fermented vegetables can improve gut function and indirectly benefit your thyroid. Reducing stress is also vital since chronic stress can impair thyroid function. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and rhodiola may help balance stress levels. Supplements, such as vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids also play a role in supporting overall thyroid function. A nutrient-dense diet, proper supplementation, and mindful stress management can make a significant difference in naturally repairing and maintaining thyroid health. In conclusion, the thyroid gland plays an essential role in maintaining the body's energy balance, regulating metabolism, heart rate, temperature, and even digestion. When this small gland slows down, it can trigger several early warning signs that should not be ignored. From feeling cold all the time, to unexplained weight gain, hair loss, constipation, lower libido, and even depression, the symptoms of low thyroid function can have a profound impact on your quality of life. These signals are your body's way of telling you that something is off, and it's important to address them early. Recognizing these early warning signs allows for timely action, and one of the most effective ways to support your thyroid naturally is through nutrition. Ensuring adequate intake of iodine and selenium through foods like seaweed, fish, and Brazil nuts is crucial, as these minerals help your thyroid produce essential thyroid hormones. Gut health also plays a significant role in thyroid function, so incorporating probiotic-rich foods and reducing stress through adaptogenic herbs can help. Supplements like vitamin D, omega-3s, and zinc further support your thyroid's health too. With the right attention to food, stress management, and gut health, it's possible to naturally repair and maintain healthy thyroid function, preventing further complications. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.